A topic of special concern in today's fast-changing world of leadership is what traits encourage entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship refers to initiating a venture, organizing the necessary resources, and assuming the associated risks and rewards. An entrepreneur recognizes a viable idea for a business, product, or service and carries it out by finding and assembling the necessary resources, money, people, machinery, location, to undertake the business venture. Entrepreneurial leaders display many of the same characteristics as other leaders, but some traits are particularly important for entrepreneurs. 4 characteristics considered highly important to entrepreneurial leaders are the following. First, vision and dissatisfaction with the present. To start something new requires that the entrepreneur be dissatisfied with the way things are now and have a clear vision for how things should be. Entrepreneurs are more concerned with innovation, creativity, and creating new processes than with maintaining the status quo. Next, the ability to get people on board. Entrepreneurial leaders have to continually recruit others to join in, support, and add to the vision. Third, flexibility, openness to feedback, and the ability to learn and adapt. No one has all the answers, and entrepreneurial leaders must be willing to listen, learn, and adapt. Finally, persistence and execution. Entrepreneurial leaders are tenacious in the pursuit of the vision and take active steps in the here and now to bring the future to life. If one thing doesn't work out, they try another. They are typically highly self-motivated and are willing to stretch themselves and take risks to achieve the vision. For some leaders, these entrepreneurial traits come naturally, but many people can develop these characteristics. Entrepreneurial leadership is a source of innovation and change.